Hi angels, welcome back to another video. This DIY is inspired by YouTuber the DIY designer. I just found her channel and I'm in love. I love everything that she posts. She is amazing. So this is the first video of hers that I will be recreating. It is the fringe skirt. You guys have seen me made fringe skirt, fringe everything. I know that you guys are sick and tired of it, but trust me, this is the last one. Not the last one, but I have one more fringe dress, and then that's it. I'm not doing anything else fringe for the rest of this year. But let's get into this video. Supplies needed: a skirt, maybe one with a zipper in the back because we're doing it all the way around, and some fabric glue, some scissors, and some fringe, of course. These fringe, I got some different type of fringe. These ones, I really don't like them. The ones that I used before, they was nice and thick and fluffy and longer. These ones are shorter and it feels so cheap. Does that make any sense? I really don't like them, but whatever. I'm not gonna use them again, so yeah. By the way, I'm not measuring anything. I'm just eyeing it. And I know that I wanted it to be nice and thick and closer together, so that's basically what I did. But if you want to be more precise, you can just get a chart, get a measuring ruler or anything like that, and just measure the sides, how far apart you want it, and then just glue it straight across. And just like that, you'll be good. But I don't have any chalk, so I had to eye it, which I think turned out pretty good, if I should say so myself. This honestly, I think, is my second favorite DIY of 2020. Surprisingly, but it's too early to say. But anyway, all I'm doing is measuring across how far it is. Remember that there's a zipper in the back, so I wasn't trying to get it close to the zipper or anything like that because I knew that as soon as I wanted to put it on, the fringe will start getting stuck in the zipper, and that's what it did anyway. But make sure not to just place it straight across. Just give it a little extra wiggle room so that the zipper wouldn't get stuck. And since I'm doing double layer, I'm getting two of the same material, same length, not material. I was thinking that I could just glue on one layer and then apply the second layer on top, and then the glue would just seep all the way through. But that's not the case. You guys gonna need to glue it down first, glue down one layer first, and then glue down the other layer on top so that it can actually be secured. But yeah, I don't really like this glue that I'm using. I'm just trying it out. It is not something that I'll be using for very long. I'm going to be sticking back to my E6000 glue because this glue does lift up. Usually with the E6000 glue, you apply it on something, you come back. I just leave it overnight for 24 hours. You come back and boom, it dries it perfectly. It's not lifting up or anything. This glue tends to lift up, which does not make any sense to me. It's supposed to be for fabric. So I really don't recommend it, but you can use it. Stick to E6000 glue. I figure it's kind of like the hot glue gun. As soon as you apply it on something, then you try it on or you start moving around, then it start lifting up at the edges. So I recommend the E6000 glue. But yeah, you guys get the idea of what I'm doing. Applying the glue straight across. I started applying it onto the fringe so that I could get a better idea of what I was doing, and then just do the exact. And then for the second layer, I just apply the glue straight across on the fringe because obviously I didn't need to measure it or anything. I knew what length I wanted, and just like that, I was good. Good to go. By the way, everything in this video, the fringe, the skirt, and the glue, I got all from Amazon. Yep. By the way, with this skirt, I could not get it to lay out like straight flat. That's why there's that little lines in between it, because it would not cooperate with me. But as soon as I was applying the glue and the fringe, I just started pressing it down where the rolls at. So you get what I'm trying to say, like pressing it down so that it could look straight across. Don't know if that makes any sense. But yeah. By the way, I'm only using 2 fringe, so in the end it does take 2 since I'm double layering it. But if you're just doing 1 layer, you just need 1 fringe and you should be good to go. Quick and easy. So it takes 2 fringe to finish this skirt, and it's a pencil skirt, so yep. This glue is very, very sticky. So as soon as you like press down on it, because obviously you have to press down on it just to make sure that it's on there securely, you get all this stickiness all over your finger. So I had to keep on rubbing off my finger before I apply another fringe, because I didn't want the glue to be on the fringe before I apply it. I wanted it to be nice and even and clean. So yeah. Okay, so this is the amount of fringe that I had left over once I was finished, and this is how the skirt looks. So I'm just gonna leave it overnight for it to dry, and then this is the final product. While I was putting on this skirt, I broke the zipper in the back. I am so disappointed. Like, I just got got the skirt, and I broke the zipper in the back. But yeah, I'm pretty happy with how everything turned out. I love the top. Well, don't love it. It's squeezing the life out of me, and it is way too tight. It doesn't fit or anything like that. This is the same top that I used for my mannequin Christmas tree doll. It's the exact same top. It fit the mannequin better than it fit me, because this thing does not fit. It was squeezing the life out of me. But yeah, this is the final product. I hope you guys like this video. If you do, give it a thumbs up, like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you guys in my next DIY. Bye.